Good morning everyone. Today Mr. Teddy has one activity for you all. It's related to all the letters which we have done till now. So Mr. Teddy, can you tell your friends what this activity is all about? Oh yes, we forgot. First, let's join our hands and close our eyes to observe a minute of silence, because then only we can think smartly and concentrate on this activity in a better way. So everyone, join your hands and close your eyes. Now slowly open your eyes. So Mr. Teddy, let's start with this activity. But first, let's read out all the letters written over here. Everyone, please repeat after me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Again, we will repeat this once again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. So what are these? These are all the letters of the alphabet. So now let's see how many letters out of these alphabet we have done till now. So till now we have done letters A, B, C, D, E, and F. So how many letters we have done? A, B, C, D, E, and F. 6 letters we have completed. Wow! I guess we should play a game with these letters. You want to see which game we will play? See, I have cutouts of all the letters which we have done till now inside this box, and they all are mixed together. So the game goes like this. We will arrange all the letters according to their alphabetical order. So A will come first, then B, then C, D, E, and F. So buddy, let's try out this interesting game. So now let's arrange all the letters in the alphabetical order. I'm keeping this tray over here. First is letter A, then comes letter B, letter C, letter D, letter E, and letter F. A, B, C, D, E, and F. Again, A, B, C, D, E and F. So let's try this once again. I'm mixing all the letters and keeping it back. So let's try it once again. A, D. No. Letter B. Then A, B, C. A, B, C. Then comes letter D. Again A, B, C, D. Then comes letter E. Again A, B, C, D, E and F. Yay! It's done. A, B, C, D, E and F. Dear parents, if your child is facing any difficulty in arranging it in particular order, then you can write the letters as a hint, like I have written on a sheet of paper, and then ask your child to arrange it accordingly. So I have written all the letters which we have done over here as a hint. A, B, C, D, E and F. And these are the letters which we need to arrange in their alphabetical order. So let's do this once again. Our first letter will be letter A. So I will put letter A over here. Then it's letter B. Then is letter C. Where is letter C? C is over here. Then comes letter D. Where is letter D? This is letter D. And letter E and then F. So in this way, if we write letters on a piece of paper as a hint, kids will find it easier to arrange all the letters. After a few trials, you can remove the hints and then try it without giving a hint. Instead of the hint, now you can ask them to sing the letter song. Like if they are arranging, let me mix it. Like if they are arranging, now I'll sing the letter song. A, B. So A, B, C. Now C will come. Again I'll sing the letter song. A, B, C, D. Now letter, where is letter D? D will come over here. Again I will sing the letter song. A, B, C, D, E. Now E will come. Again I will sing the letter song. A, B, C, D, E, F. Now letter F will come. So I've arranged all the letters like this. Now children, go and try arranging the letters which we have done till now in a sequence. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.